Sorry, is it not correct that this is a prosecutor who charges, not a policeman? I know we talk loosely, I will charge you, but strictly speaking, it's a prosecutor who charges
My
a
Lord,
person.
before this one has to appear in court, he needs to be charged at the police station.
No, fine. But I'm saying who charges actually?
Yeah, but we normally charge him and then we take him to court and then the court prosecutor go through the docket.
I thought it's a prosecutor who signs the indictment, not as a police person. Is that not so, sir? Okay, never mind.
Okay, guys, lana ilang enkathi ngempela ujudge rather trying to distract and making sure ukuthi we just discredit everything that is said by this police colonel. But guys, I just don't want to waste your time. Please ngicela sinihlale nibuke umshololo indlela emshaye ngayo uRatha. Ngendlela mfethu amslice ngayo, you won't believe, and she didn't hold back like for the whole fucking 20 minutes, not even letting Ratha Manje try and interfere. This is a showdown, guys. You need to watch. Let's watch. But please like and support. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let's do this.
Inkantolo yona-ke ngokuzobayo-ke noma ngendlela yasingayo ukuthi-ke oyena muntu okuyena ochajayo phecelezi othweswa icala ngoba uyena-ke osayinda-ke incwadi lena-ke enamacala phecelezi-ke i-charge sheet ukuthi-ke inkantolo ithi yona-ke umshushisi kodwa uyaqaqisa-ke noma uyasho ufakazi ukuthi bona ngaphambi kokuthi umuntu ahanjiswe aye enkantolo ila athweswa khona noma achajwa khona e-police station.
Okay. I do understand, my lord. But since this suspect is booked out for investigation and then they take him to boardroom, they further interviewed him. So if you take him back to the cells, you crossing the accident entry there to book him out. That suspect is booked back and he is formally charged on this case number there to book him out. And that will be, we are going to put it at the page 5 of the docket.
Yes.
That this person has been charged. Formally charged.
Yes,
and then you take the docket straight to court to the prosecutor.
Who signs the indictment?
Yeah.
It's the prosecutor.
That's it. That's charging a person. Actually, I know we speak loosely. Charge. Actually, when you are charged, it's when they put the charge to you in court and you are asked to plead. That completes the charging.
I just wonder what's Judge Ratha, who was he trying to make up for? Maybe for Ubaloyi, because somehow I'm a prosecutor. I implicated when it comes to fabricating this whole thing, and right now he's trying to cover them. But it's unfortunately that Mshololo is coming back, and Mshololo is not holding back. Like I told you before, stick around and you can even test this thing happening right in front of your eyes. Oh my God, come on, man, I can't wait for Mshololo.
Anyway, that's what I learned.
Okay.
Okwenzekayo-ke uma ngaba umuntu ekhishiwe nanjengoba kubhaliwe-ke lana ukuthi-ke booked out ukuthi-ke kwenziwa-ke uphenyo nanjengoba kubhaliwe-ke lana ukuthi kwahanjiswa-ke waya e-boardroom. Uma ngabe sekubuywa-ke uyabhalwa-ke ukushiwo-ke ukuthi-ke uyabuyiselwa nokuthi-ke manje usuyatshelwa-ke ukuthi manje usuthweswa icala phecelezi-ke usuyachajwa-ke ngalo icala leli.
Thank you, Lieutenant Colonel. Please don't be distracted.
Yes.
I am asking this from you as an experienced police officer.
Yes.
Explain the process of charging a suspect. As a police officer, what does that involve? Or what does that entail? As a police officer, forget about the prosecutor. I'm asking you about the role that is played by the member of the SAPS who is handling a suspect.
Second Khumalo began explaining the actual process of charging.
Okay, let's go straight to this.
I am asking this from you as an experienced police officer. Explain the process of charging a suspect. as a police officer, what does that involve? Or what does that entails? As a police officer, forget about the prosecutor. I'm asking you about the role that's played by the member of APS who is handling a suspect.
So that means, my lord, that sub-patrol is ready to be taken to court to appear on the issue he's charged for.
Lokho ke manje sekusho ukuthi ke uyaqhubeka ke manje uKenneth kuloko beqeda ukusho loyo muntu uselungele ke manje ukuthi ke usengaya ke enkantolo ayobingelela ke imanje kwicala lelo ke alithwesiwe noma amacala awethwesiwe.
So after charging the suspect, you then record on page or on the docket.
Page 5 of the docket.
Usukwenzile ke lokho ila obhala khona ke manje ku page 5 walo idokodo.
Who then records on page 5 of the docket that the suspect has now been charged? Is it a police officer or is the prosecutor?
It's a post office who's charging that suspect.
Ubani ke manje obhalayo lapha ke ku page 5 ngaba umshushisi noma iphoyisa lelo ekuyilona elithwese umsolwa icala.
Is the prosecutor allowed to make entries in that docket to say, I have charged the suspect?
From my experience, I never saw it.
Ingabe umshushisi uvumelekile yini ke ukuthi ke asayindeke noma abhaleke lapho kulelo dokodo ukuthi ke umsola ngimthwese icala kwisipiliyoni sami nginaso ke angikaze ngihlangane nako lokho.
Okay, from the experience in the SAPS service, can the suspect be taken to court for appearance without being charged by a member of the SAPS and wait for the prosecutor to charge the person?
No, my lord.
Ngesipiliyoni naso ke emaphoyiseni ingaba umuntu ke kufanele yini alinde umshushisi ke ngaphambi kokuthi aye enkantolo ukuthi ke loyo muntu ke yileso isikhathi azoya ngasenkantolo uma ngabe esecharge umshushisi engachajwanga noma ke engathweswanga amacala yiphoyisa cha ngosenkantolo.
Okay, now let's go to what Mr. Sergeant Mohale said in this court on page 32 of the transcript of the 2nd November 2023. Line number 18. We're gonna read this entry and then also the entry number 532. You see the 532 that is referred to.
Yes, I see.
Okay. I'm going to read from the transcript, page 32 of the transcript dated the 2nd of November 2023. Mr. Mohane, suspect charged. You understand?
Yes, I
It's
see.
Mr. Mohane who is testifying in court. He says, suspect charged. What does that mean?
So it means that he has prepared his accused to be ready to be taken to court and appear in court on this particular charge.
Siyafunda ke lana kubhaliwe umsolwa othweswa icala kusho ukuthini lokho kusho ukuthi ke manje ke yena ke usethweswe icala ke futhi usekungeleke ukuthi angamthatha ke aye enkantolo.
And, okay, let me continue in that paragraph. Detective Sergeant Mohane of National Cold Case Unit charged one male suspect, you understand,
Yes, I see.
of murder on Nongoma case 163/6 of 2018. Mr. Mohane is saying he's charged one male suspect under murder case Nongoma case 163/6/2018.
I'm following.
Kubhaliwe ke qhubeka ke lana Detective Sergeant Mohane obuya ngaphansi kwa National Cold Case Unit wathwesa icala umsolwa oyedwa umuntu wesilisa lokubulala Nongoma case 16310 of 2018.
So Sergeant Mohane here is saying he himself, as Detective Sergeant Mohane, charged the suspect, which is Mr. Bongani Ntanzi, under the case number wherein Mr. Ntanzi was not the suspect, according to the records of SAPS.
On 163, there is no Bongani Ntanzi that was charged.
Lana ke umnumzana Mohane uthi ke wathwesa icala umnumzana uNtanzi la khona ke usho khona ke ngokwama kodwa ukuthi ke akasiyena wayengayena ngaphansi kwakhe u-16310 of 2018 uBongani Ntanzi wayengayena umsolwa.
Okay. Tell us then, Lieutenant Colonel, is there where in the records of the SAPS system, it appears that Sergeant Mohane charged the suspect, which is Mr. Ntanzi, under this case number and recorded into the docket as we have explained the procedure before this court.
On the record of the SAPS system, there is no person by the name of Bongani Ntanzi that was charged. And also on the docket, I do not have a male person by the name of Bongani Ntanzi that was charged. Nongoma case 163 of 10, 2018, my lord.
Kuma rekhodi ke ku system yethu ke akukho la khona ke umnumzana Bongani Ntanzi wayemsolwa khona ke ngaphansi kwakhe 163 2018 nokuthi nakulona ke idokodo akekho umuntu wesilisa oBongani Ntanzi owayethweswe icala noma echargiwe khona lapho.
And you said the investigating officer of the case will then record in the docket that the person has been charged on this particular date.
That is correct, my lord.
Uyasho ke ukuthi ke umseshi noma umphenyi wale icala uzobe sebhala ke kulona ke idokodo.
So there is no date that is reflected or contained in the police docket view saying that Bongani Ntanzi was charged under this case as a suspect.
Not at all.
Akukho ke onako noma idate nayo ke eshoyo ukuthi uBongani Ntanzi wathweswa icala ke ngalo lelanga le noma ngayo le date lena lutho ngosenkantolo.
Okay, now let's read the OB entry 532.
Thank you, my lord. This is an entry that was made on the 19th of June 2016, OP 532,
On the,
2020,
sorry, on the date.
on the 19th of June 2020.
Okay.
The OP number is 532. That was made at 0235. Suspect charged by Detective Mohane of National Court Case Unit. Charge one male suspect of murder on Nongoma, case 163 06 2018. Bongani Ntanzi, SAP 14 number 64 of 6 2020, SAP 14 number A 512 66765. Charge correctly without any complaint or visible evidence. Correct charge in the policeman or the signs.
Lana ke ngazo i-19 kuJune 2020 ngaphansi kwakhe u-532 istart u-235 uNtathakusa umsolwa uthweswe icala Detective Sergeant Mohane we-National Cold Case Unit wathweswa icala umsolwa oyedwa umuntu wesilisa lokubulala ngaphansi kwaNongoma case 1636 2018 Bongani Ntanzi set 6406 SAP S14A S1 266765 wathweswa icala ke ngendlela kuyiyona noma kahle engama ke noma akukho awayikhala ngako nokulimala okubonakalayo nokuthweswa kwakhe ke icala kwenziwa kahle kwase kuyasayindwa.
Am I correct, Lieutenant Colonel, to say, from my understanding of that entry that we have just read into the record, entry number 532, that was recorded on the 19th of June 2020, it means Mr. Ntanzi, it says, the entry says Mr. Ntanzi was charged under the Nongoma case, wherein Mr. Bongani Ntanzi was not a suspect.
Yes, he was not the suspect.
Ngabe ngizwa kahle ukuthi kuloko oqeda ukufundwa ke lana kusho ukuthi uMnumzane Ntanzi wathweswa icala ngaphansi kwaloko icala leli lakwaNongoma 6163 10 of 2018 la awayengayena umsolwa khona. Yebo, wayengayena umsolwa.
Okay, let's go back to the transcript on page 33, line number 2. It says under Mr. Mohane, line number 2, There is also another entry on that very same Friday, 2020/6 of 2019, serial number 534 at 4:50, prisoner transferred. Detective Sergeant Mukhane of National Cold Case Unit with one male suspect of murder. Indistinct 160/10 of 2018, the case, one Bongani Danzi, cell 64/6/2020 SAP 14A was fetched to Foster's Court without any injuries to complain.
Yaqhubeka ke ku-page 33 ngaphansi koMukhane. Khona-ke okunye futhi okubhaliwe-ke ngalolo lwesihlanu loyo-ke wange-19 zikaJune 2020, inamba-ke kungu-534, isikhathi-ke u-4:50, ukuthi-ke umsolwa wayese ehanjiswa noma endluliswa-ke Detective Sergeant Mukhane National Cold Case Unit nomsolwa oyedwa umuntu wesilisa icala lokubulala 160/10/2018, icala uBongani Ntanzi cell 6406/2020, walandwa eFosloras noma ke walandwa ke ukuya enkantolo yaseFosloras engenako ukulimala noma engalimele kungekho futhi ke ayekhala noma ekhononda ngako.
I'm following, my lord.
Ngiyalandela ngosenkantolo.
So now it means the suspect is booked out to court. Am I understanding this entry correct?
That is correct, my lord.
Lokhu ke kusho ukuthi ke manje umsolwa useyakhishwa ke uye enkantolo. Ingabe ngikufunda ngendlela ekuyiyona? Yebo ngosenkantolo.
So the suspect was arrested on the 16th of June 2020 under the case number, Nongoma case number that does not exist in the SAPS, and he is now taken on the 19th, which is 3 days, to court. Is booked out to court now. Is still booked under the Nongoma case number that does not exist as the case number for a murder.
That is correct, my lord. I follow.
Kusho ukuthi ke waboshwa nge-16 zikaJune 2020. Manje ke emuva ke kumalanga ama-19 zikaJune 2020 uyahanjiswa ke uya enkantolo ngaphansi kwalo ke icala leli ke 163/10 of 2018 awangasiyona ke umsolwa kulona. Yebo ngiyezwa ngosenkantolo.
It's correct. He was not the suspect.
Yebo kuyiqiniso wayengayena umsolwa.
Not the suspect.
We know that's the evidence that is before this court. We know that this case was not enrolled, but I'm not there. My question to you is that you remember there is the entry that we have referred to you wherein the suspect was booked in transit.
That is correct, my lord.
Siyazi ke ukuthi ke icala ke lalingekho noma lalingabhaliwe ke ezincwadini zasenkantolo angikho lapho. Kunala ebesunde khona ke kwakuthi ekuthi khona ke umsolwa wayehamba noma kufanele ukuthi ke uyahamba.
Okay. Do you have in that docket any entry reflecting that the suspect by the name of Bongani Tanzi was charged and taken to Force Lora's court on the 19th of June 20?
There's no such entry.
Khona ke onako kwidokodo leli lakho ke ukuthi aliwe ukuthi ke ngazo 19 zikaJune 2020 umsolwa ekubongani Ntanzi wahanjiswa ke ukuya enkantolo yaseFosloras. Akukho okunjalo okubhaliwe.
And is not recorded in the system of the SAPS.
That is correct, my lord. It is not recorded.
Kho ke naku system ke yamaphoyisa kuyiqiniso lapho ngosenkantolo.
From your experience now, you said how many years of experience do you have as a detective?
Detective, 30 years, my lord.
Minyaka ke nginayo ngiwu-detective 30.
In your 30 years of service in the SAPS, have you taken a suspect to court for the prosecutor to charge him and not you charging the suspect?
I had never, my lord.
Kuminyaka yakho ke onayo ke emaphoyiseni usuke wamthatha yini ke umsolwa wayanayo enkantolo.
Guys, I think I must guys. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. Guys, I think for this case, Clemens says Maiwa Shololo just blow the case up. I don't think there will be a comeback from the prosecutors, especially Abu Baloyi naloya mngani wakho oyibuko ongathi akasile. Hopefully abazali noma sebengasekho mfethu, may they rest in peace ubaba kaBasenzo Meyiwe. Whoever is left as a family now, I feel like they are feeling the relief coming straight kancane kancane kancane, because umshololo right now cooked. Even the judge couldn't even say anything. He just said that. That's why I just let the tape roll, because I don't want to interrupt the the juice of this section where Mshololo was all these people. How many years? I don't know how many years. Maybe it's more than 10 years now. They're dealing with the same case, and I'm very glad that there are witnesses coming through, Abafana Nango Lieutenant Colonel. But anyway, if you have watched Chill up until this point, please support me. I've got a comedy show coming up on Thursday, 25 June at Pinback. It's in Durban. All the people around Durban. It's in Morningside. The tickets azobadayisa web ticket nase Pick and Pay aqala ku 160 rand. So the link for the ticket ngizoyifaka khona la description. Guys, thank you so much for coming up, for watching, and the question remains, guys, do you really think we're gonna get into the bottom of this case? Shout out to Mshololo, shout out to everybody who came up and supported Mshololo, especially that Colonel. Danko.